In a world overflowing with opinions and emotions, imagine having the ability to decipher the true sentiment behind every word. Join us on a captivating journey as we unveil the extraordinary power of sentiment analysis, where data meets emotions, and we gain unprecedented insights into the human psyche. Get ready to dive into the realm of decoding emotions and discover how sentiment analysis is transforming industries and shaping the way we understand the world. In a digital age where emotions are expressed through texts, comments, and tweets, it's becoming increasingly important to understand the true sentiment behind the words. Welcome to our YouTube video where we explore the incredible world of sentiment analysis, the revolutionary technology that unlocks the hidden emotions within text and gives us the power to truly understand what people feel. Sentiment analysis, also known as opinion mining, is a powerful technique that uses natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to determine the sentiment or emotion expressed in a piece of text. Whether it's analyzing tweets, product reviews, customer feedback, or any other form of text, sentiment analysis algorithms can decipher the underlying emotions and classify the sentiment as positive, negative, or neutral. The applications of sentiment analysis are vast and game-changing. Let's explore a few examples. Brand reputation management. Companies can monitor social media mentions and customer feedback to understand how their brand is perceived and take appropriate actions to maintain a positive image. Customer experience enhancement. Sentiment analysis helps businesses identify areas where their customers might be dissatisfied or frustrated, allowing them to make improvements and provide better experiences. Public opinion analysis. By analyzing public sentiments expressed on social media or in news articles, sentiment analysis helps engaging the general sentiment towards various topics, products, or events. Market research. Companies can use sentiment analysis to understand customer preferences, analyze product reviews, and gain insights into market trends, ultimately shaping their business strategies. Sentiment analysis is revolutionizing how we understand and interpret human emotions at scale. By unveiling the true sentiment behind text, we gain a deeper understanding of people's experiences, opinions, and desires. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of sentiment analysis. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the realm of data and emotions.